Hello student. Today we are going to start new lesson of maths. Sixth lesson, and name of the lesson is the triangles and its properties. In today's video we are going to see some concept of triangle. Okay. Now what is triangle? Triangle is the simple closed figure made up of three line segment. This is called a triangle, or in short we can write the definition for the triangle. Triangle is three-side polygon. We know that what is polygon? Polygon is the simple closed figure made up of line segment. Okay, and triangle is also the simple closed figure made up of the line segment. But how many line segments are there? Three line segments are there. Okay, therefore here I write triangle is three-side polygon. Clear? Here I draw the figure triangle ABC. Okay, this is three-side polygon or simple closed figure made up of three line segment, that is AB, BC and AC. Okay, now see the parts of the triangle. Now AB, BC and AC are the three sides of the triangle. Clear? Then angle A, angle B and angle C. Three angles of the triangle. Okay, total three angles are there in the triangle. And point A, point B and point C are the vertices of the triangle. Clear? Three vertices are there, three sides are there and three angles are there in the triangle. Clear? Now after that here we see the types of triangle. Now there are total three types of the triangles according to the sides and three types according to the angles. Clear? Now what are the types of the triangles according to side? First it is scalene triangle. Now what is scalene triangle? The triangle in which all the sides of different length or the measure of the sides of the triangles is different, then that triangle is called a scalene triangle. For example, triangle ABC. The length of the side AB is equal to 5 cm, it is 6 cm and this is 7 cm. All the sides of different length, then such triangle is called a scalene triangle. Okay, this is according to the sides of the triangle or the length of the sides of the triangle. Clear? Then second type is isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? The triangle in which two sides are equal in length, then that triangle is called a isosceles triangle. Now see in triangle ABC, here I write AB is equal to 5 cm and AC is given 5 cm. BC is equal to 6 cm. Now in this triangle, two sides are equal. Then we call this triangle as isosceles triangle. Clear? The triangle with two sides equal, that triangle is called the isosceles triangle. This is the second type. Then third type is equilateral triangle. The triangle in which all the three sides are equal, then that triangle is called the equilateral triangles according to their sides. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, if here I write 5 cm, or this is the triangle of all the sides equal in length, that is 5 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, AC is equal to 5 cm. Then we can call this triangle as equilateral triangle. Okay, because all the sides of the triangles are equal here. Okay, these are the three types of the triangles according to their sides. First is scalene, all the sides of different length. Isosceles, two sides are equal. And equilateral triangle, all the sides of equal length, called a equilateral triangle. Okay student, now the see next types of the triangle according to angles of the triangle. Okay, first type is given what? Acute angle triangle. We know that in triangle sum of all the angle is equal to what? 180 degree. Now what is acute angle triangle? If all the angles of the triangles is less than 90 degree, then that triangle is called acute angle triangle. Or in short we can say, if the angles of the triangles are acute angle, then that triangle is called a acute angle triangle. For example, in triangle ABC, this is 60 degree, okay, this is 30 degree, and for example this is 40 degree total, and this is 80 degree. Clear? Now see, in this triangle, angle A is 40 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 80 degree. Sum of all the angle is equal to 180. इससे कम भी नहीं रहेगा, ज़्यादा भी नहीं. It is always 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangle. Here we observe all the angles are acute angle, less than 90 degree. Therefore, this triangle is called acute angle triangle. Understood? Here we relate with the what? Angles of the triangle. Therefore, these types according to the angles. Okay. Then second type is what? Right angle triangle. The triangle in which one angle, not all the three angles. If one of the angle of the triangle is 90 degree or right angle, then that triangle is called a right angle triangle. Okay. And third type is obtuse angle triangle. The triangle in which one of the angle is greater than 90 degree or the obtuse angle, then that triangle is called a obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now see, I hope you understand all these types according to sides of the triangle, according to the angles of the triangle. Okay, student. Now see the next concept of the triangle, that is the median of the triangle. Now what is the median of the triangle? The line segment joining any vertex of the triangle to its midpoint of the opposite side, then that line segment is called the median of the triangle. Now see, from the vertex A of triangle ABC, opposite side of the vertex A is what? BC, and its midpoint is what? P. The line segment joining the vertex of the triangle to midpoint of the opposite side, then that line segment is called the median of the triangle. Now in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of the BC, which is the opposite side of the vertex A. Therefore, line segment AP is the median of the triangle. Therefore, here I write segment AP is the median. Okay. In this way, we can draw three medians in the triangle. Okay. If all the medians are all the three medians meet at a single point, then that point is called a centroid. For example, if I draw the median from the B vertex, this is the median. Okay. Third median from the C vertex to opposite midpoint of the opposite side. Okay. Then all these three median intersect at one point. This point is called the centroid. Okay. Then next concept is altitude of the triangle. The line segment drawn from the vertex of the triangle which is perpendicular to the opposite side, then that line segment is called the altitude of the triangle. Now in triangle PQR, PS is the line segment which is perpendicular to its opposite side, or the line including the opposite side. Then that line segment is called the altitude of the triangle. Therefore here I write, in triangle PQR, segment PS is an altitude. Okay. If it is joined the midpoint, then it is called the median. If it is perpendicular to its opposite side, then it is called the altitude. Okay. Then in this way we can draw three altitude in the triangle. For example, from the Q vertex on the opposite side, this is the altitude 90 degree. Then from R, this is the altitude. Now see, all the altitude of this triangle intersect at a single point or meet at a single point. That point is called the orthocenter. Okay, that point is called the orthocenter. For median, it is called the centroid, and for the altitude, it is called the orthocenter. Clear, student? I hope, student, you understand all the concept of the triangle. What is triangle? What are the types of the triangles according to side and according to their angles, and the concept of the median and the concept of the altitude. What is centroid and what is orthocenter? Okay. Now this is all for today, student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much. Have a good day.